Good morning, class. Today we will start with a new topic under block 18. Okay, so the topic of our discussion for today is dangers that animal face. All right, so our aim for today is students will be able to analyze the dangers faced by the animals in India. Okay, resources needed is your resource sheet, your worksheet S3, your exit content book, and your notebook. So what is the word or the key words we will use today is endangered. What is endangered? Endangered, the meaning of the term endangered means something which is in danger or at risk. They are known as endangered. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Animals we know live in a forest. Okay, they can move freely, they can eat whatever they want. So do we need to protect these animals? We know that animals they live in forests. They can move wherever they want, that is freely. They can eat whatever they want. So do we need to protect these animals? The answer to that is yes, right. We need to protect them. Okay. So see, though animals they live in jungles, they also face different kind of dangers. All right. So today you will learn about these dangers that animals face and why they have to be protected. All right. So even though the animals we know they live in the jungles, they also face lots of dangers. Okay. So today you will learn about these dangers that animals face and why they have to be protected. All right. So all right, let me just give you a resource sheet. Okay. So this thing you please write it down in your notebook. Okay. Write this situation on your notebook. The given point. Point number 1, floods and earthquakes. Point number 2, hunting animals. Point number 3, clearing forests and cutting down trees. Point number 4, animals fighting with one another. Point number 5, people eating the meat of animals. So all of you please write this given situation point 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your notebook. Okay, before we get with our discussion. Okay, you can pause the video and then you can write the given point in your notebook. All right, now let's proceed. Okay, so after you are done writing the given 5 point, you please arrange them from the most dangerous to the least dangerous. Okay, so you please arrange them according to what you think will be the most dangerous one. You put it at first, and then the least danger you put at the last one. Okay, suppose you say that hunting animals is the most dangerous one, so you can put it as 1. Similarly, you see the clearing forest and cutting down trees. If you think that that is point number 2, then the most dangerous you put at the top, and the least dangerous you put at the bottom. Accordingly you arrange. Okay, according to the given point, which one will come first, second, third, fourth, like that. Okay, this thing is given in sequence, so randomly. Okay, so you have to arrange which one come in the first place, second, third, fourth, and fifth, like that. Okay, I hope you got it. Now, what according to you is the most dangerous situation that animals face today, and what is next, and so on. So that is after you are done arranging. Okay, according to the most dangerous, and the next followed by the least. What are the dangers that animals face? Why do people hunt for animals or clear forests? I hope you are following the question. What according to you is the most dangerous situation that animals face today, and what is next, and so on? And what are the dangers that animals face? Why do people hunt for animals or clear forests? Alright, so listen to me carefully, okay, as I explain to you. See, hunting, clearing forests, cutting trees, floods, and earthquakes are dangerous for animals and it affect them, okay. The most dangerous one is hunting, followed by clearing forests, after that cutting trees, flood, and earthquake, okay. All those are dangerous for animals and it affect their life. Alright, many animals they are killed by hunting, and also animals like elephant, tigers, and rhinos they are hunted and they are killed for body parts, like the elephant for the, okay, like the rhinos for their one horn rhino, okay. Similarly the tiger for the skin and the tooth, the elephant for the trunk, right? So they are being hunted because of their body parts, okay. So similarly some animals they are hunted and they are caged to be sent to the zoo or in a circus where you see lots of animals like an elephant or any other animals, okay. The donkeys they perform circus where they are used for fun, okay. And clearing of forests also impact animals. Forests are cleared mainly to construct a roads, building, and farmlands. Yes or no? So dangers animal faces are because of hunting, clearing forests, flood, earthquakes. Okay, so those are some of the dangers that animals, the wild animals, they face. Okay. Now let's generalize our discussion. Okay. What will happen to animal if they are hunted? What happens to animal if they are hunted? Or if forests are clear, what happens to animals? And during what happens to animal during floods and earthquake? Can you think of any other dangers which animal may face? Alright, let me repeat the question again. As you can see, what happens to animals if they are hunted, or if forests are clear, or during floods and earthquakes? What will happen to animals? Can you think of any other dangers which animal may face? Alright, now listen carefully, okay, as I explain to you. So when animals are hunted, their numbers keep decreasing, okay. So when animals they are hunted, their number keep decreasing, it goes down. When number of animals keep decreasing, what will it become? They will become endangered. Alright, they will become at risk and they will have a chance of disappearing from the earth, okay. Similar is the case with tigers and elephants. They are now endangered animal as people hunt them, okay, because of the body parts. When forests are cut down, you see these animals they lose their home and food where they get from forests. So they die because of hunger, okay. Sometimes animals also die during floods and earthquakes. Alright, remember sometimes animals also die because of floods and earthquakes, okay. So animals are affected when there is change in climate. Not only that, animals they are also affected when there is a change in the climatic condition, okay. That is when a place gets too hot or too cold. Some animals find it difficult to survive, okay, because of the climatic condition as well. I hope you get it. Now the last question, okay. What will happen if animals disappear from Earth? What according to you will happen if all the animals disappear from Earth? What will happen? Okay, you might have different answer to this, okay. So very simple. See, what will happen is that see, you will not get meat, yes or no, and there will be no ecosystem, and then some they depend on animal to survive, right? So also the animal, some they use animal for the occupation, so they may face different kind of problems, okay, if animals disappear from earth. All right, so similarly you can even add other points. Now things to do, okay, you have to complete your worksheet S3, practice question number 4 and 5, okay. Practice question number 4 and 5. Practice question number 4 and 5. What dangers do animals face today? Why are forests important for animals? So these are the two questions that you have to do, okay, 4 and 5. What dangers do animals face today? Why are forests important for animals? Okay, along with your worksheet S3. Fill in the table. So you have to do like this, okay, in the given box. One has been done for you. Similarly, you have to do the rest, okay, and effect of on animals. How they'll be affected, you write here. Write a slogan telling people what will happen if animals disappear from the earth. So you have to write a message, okay, simple message. All right, telling people what will happen if animals disappear from the earth. Okay, so that is your work for today. Please complete it and then you submit by today itself. Thank you, take care, and have a good day.